Hey, it's James Potenza, that new home realtor. We're back out at Pomona, and I wanted to show you a Coventry model home. We haven't been out here in a while. They just opened up a couple of new sections. This place is gonna be massive. If you haven't been out to Pomona, you gotta come out here and check it out. Lots of activities for the adults and the kids. Every weekend they've got something going on, and they got some beautiful homes out here. So let's go take a look inside this Coventry model home. All right, so we're, like I said, in Pomona, and this is the Coventry model in the 65-foot section. And this one is very unique in that it has this porte-cochere here, and then you get your garage back there. We're definitely gonna look at that, but let's go take a look inside. Yeah, you guys are gonna love this house. So very similar to a lot of floor plans. Everybody kind of wants an office up front. You know, just big, beautiful windows, super high ceilings. Got your formal dining area that goes to the kitchen, a little wine bar. I wanted to show you this. This is classic Coventry. Isn't that beautiful? And gorgeous staircase. You have plenty of sitting area. That would be your breakfast area. Right off into the kitchen. Huge island. Lots of counter space. Yeah, they've got some upgrades in this house, but it kind of gives you an idea on what you can get. I can't remember ever seeing 3 separate windows over the kitchen, but that's nice. And what that looks out to, so that's going to be super private. That is actually your garage, and the porte-cochere is over there. So yeah, that's going to be super private. It's actually your backyard. This particular model has a huge backyard, and it will be for sale once they're done building out here. Yeah, let's raise this up a little bit. Yeah, so you can kind of see some of the lakes back there. It's a beautiful community. Pomona, Manvel, Texas. Located off of 288, right just south of Pearland. Gorgeous. So from your living area, and kitchen's over here. You have some bedrooms back here. Actually, it looks like just one bedroom. Kind of a mud area. There's your covered patio with the fireplace. So you've got this dual multi-level patio system here. Super high ceilings, but then you got more kind of like an intimate area for the fireplace. Very nice design. So this is going to be the mother-in-law quarters. You can keep her back here. She has her own bathroom with her own door. And you've got a separate staircase right there. Nice. So let's take one more shot of this. Isn't that just gorgeous? Okay, so from your kitchen, your living room, backyard, your master would be here. How nice is that? Tray ceilings, nice architectural detail. How cool would that be to have the fireplace just kind of go in and have the windows open, not open, but have the blinds open. And here is your massive master bath. Yeah, so off of your bedroom, you have your huge master bath. Just look at this. A place for a standalone tub. You can probably get any kind of size or configuration you want. You get his or hers, either one, and you have a separate makeup. Big shower. And a huge walk-in closet. Very nice. All right, let's go upstairs. I just love this open area. Nice, beautiful entry. I just love that. So nice open space here. You can go that way, or you can look down here, or you can go in here. That's going to be just a full bath in here with a bedroom. So the bedroom has its separate bathroom, perfect for teenagers. And open space. It's going to be a half bath. Huge game room. Could you just imagine entertaining your guests here? How many of you have seen a bar this size in a home this size? I mean, look at this. I'm sure that you can convert this in any kind of configuration you want. I kind of like it like this. Spectacular.